You have paid Medicare taxes for your entire working life, and right now, today, there are benefits sitting inside your Medicare plan that you have never used, never been told about, and that will expire at the end of this year if you don't act. This isn't a technicality. This is real money, real care, and it's already yours. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 5 specific Medicare benefits that millions of enrolled seniors are leaving unclaimed every single year. Some of these are completely free. Some come with a dollar value you can spend like cash. One of them, and I'll get to this at the end, can actually send meals to your front door after a hospital stay, at no cost to you. None of them require a special plan upgrade. None of them require a complicated application process. And most of them, your doctor probably hasn't mentioned. Not because they don't care, but because the system isn't designed to remind you. That's what this video is for. Let's go. Here's something that might make you feel better, and then a little frustrated. You're not alone in missing these benefits. According to a study from the Commonwealth Fund, nearly 3 out of 10 Medicare Advantage enrollees reported not using a single supplemental benefit in the previous year. And fewer than 1 in 10 used benefits, like hearing aids, grocery allowances, or meal delivery. That's not a personal failure. Medicare is genuinely complex. The paperwork is dense. The language is confusing. So consider this your tap on the shoulder. Before we go further, I want you to actually do something right now. If your Medicare card or your Medicare Advantage plan card is nearby, go get it. Or pull up your plan on your phone, because everything I'm about to tell you is specific, and I want you to be able to check for yourself as we go. Benefit number 1 is available to every single person on Medicare Part B. It's called the Annual Wellness Visit, and it costs you absolutely nothing. This is not the same as a physical exam. It's a planning session where your doctor reviews your full medication list and checks your cognitive health. The catch? Many seniors skip it because they think it's a physical that costs them money. It isn't. Call your doctor this week and tell them specifically, "I'd like to schedule my annual wellness visit under Medicare Part B." Benefit number 2, the Wellness Allowance or Flex Card. If you're on Medicare Advantage, your plan likely preloads a dollar amount, typically anywhere from $25 to over $200 per quarter, onto a card you can use for health-related expenses, dental copays, over-the-counter meds, vision, or even groceries. But here's the part that stings. These benefits are use it or lose it. If you don't spend it, it disappears. Take a moment with that number. The average unclaimed Medicare benefit per senior per year is over $2,400. That's money funded by your tax dollars, sitting in your plan, going unclaimed. Benefit number 3 is called Extra Help, or the Low-Income Subsidy. It's a federal program that dramatically reduces what you pay for prescription drugs. Many people who qualify have never applied because they assume the income limits are too low. In 2026, the thresholds are more generous than ever. Visit ssa.gov and search Extra Help Medicare. It takes 30 minutes and could save you thousands. Benefit number 4 covers preventive screenings and vaccines at zero cost. Mammograms, colorectal screenings, bone density scans, and vaccines for shingles or pneumonia. Many seniors skip these because they assume there will be a bill. Scheduled correctly, they cost you nothing. And benefit number 5, medically tailored meal delivery after a hospital stay. If you are discharged from a hospital, your plan may cover the cost of having meals delivered directly to your home during your recovery. It reduces hospital readmission, so your insurer actually wants you to use it. Don't assume they'll offer it. Ask the discharge coordinator directly. The system is not designed to remind you. That's not an accident. Insurance companies benefit when balances go unclaimed. The only thing that changes it is you knowing what to ask for. Here is your action plan. Step 1. Call your plan and ask for a full list of supplemental benefits. Step 2. Ask about your FlexCard balance and its expiration date. Step 3. Schedule that annual wellness visit. Step 4. Check ssa.gov for extra help eligibility. And Step 5. Get your preventive screening checklist. Medicare is not a passive benefit. It rewards the people who learn how to use it. Take care of your health and take care of your wallet.